Hey guys, thank you for joining me on the showroom floor. Today I'm going to be going over how you can measure your staircase to make the quotation process as simple as possible. So firstly, if you've just got a regular straight staircase, then all we're going to need is the length and the width of your step, as well as a riser's measurements. Now you can do this by simply measuring across the longest part of the step, and then measuring again down the middle of the step, so that we can get both the length and the width measurements. Now to get the size of your riser, just measure the length and then the depth of the riser. Next, let's take a look at the landing. So some people at the top of a set of stairs may have a turn where more steps actually carry on. If this is you, we need these measurements. First, we need the width of the landing, and then we need the length just so we know how many extension boards you'll need. Next up, if you've got a bend in your staircase like this, then you need to know how to measure your kite tread. Measurements we'll need for your kite tread are simply the longest point, so that's from the back corner to the very front corner right here. This is just so we can get the correct length of tread and extension board for you. And also, you're going to need to measure the riser as well, which is just done down here, just like this. Now that you've measured your kite tread, you're going to need to measure the winding treads around it. For these steps, it is likely that you're going to need an extension board, so it's important to measure the width of the tread. Additionally, we need you to measure the length of the tread, as it is possible that you may need a longer one. Please follow the same steps for each winding tread, and remember to send all measurements in centimetres and millimetres.
Fiximer is the UK supplier of oak joinery and staircase renovation components. With premium quality craftsmanship, fast delivery, responsive support, competitive prices and high stock levels, Fiximer has you covered. You can simply shop online or come visit our brand new Doncaster showroom to meet all of our team and get a free quote on all of our oak joinery and staircase renovation components. So why wait? Renovate today with Fiximer.